The most common request I receive from clients is to shoot from a high angle because it's flattering, and you're not wrong, but you can do better. Let me explain. A higher camera angle can look flattering because it brings your face up towards the camera, eliminating any possibility for double chins. However, everybody looking at that photo will be looking down on you, and I don't want that, and neither do you. If a high angle is the wrong answer, then you definitely want a low angle. No, maybe, depending. A low angle represents power. You will look larger than life. People will be looking up to you. However, you don't want to look like a villain. You want to be the hero, somebody who is confident, can help other people, but still be approachable. So what's the right answer then? If a high angle or a low angle is not the right choice for you, what is the right choice? Eye level. Shooting eye level allows other people to know that you are their equal. You are approachable, yet not inferior, especially if you're a woman. You are equal, you are just as capable as anybody else, and don't let anybody else think otherwise. This is why my go-to headshot angle is eye level. So after this video, tell me your thoughts. Are you currently using a headshot with a high angle? You could maybe elevate your online presence by lowering the camera to eye level. Now there's a couple simple tricks to get that flattering look. The first one is, instead of bringing your face up towards the camera, bring your face out towards the camera. Same flattering image, but you let other people know that you are their equal.